Hey, Scentsy fanatics! Jackie Slaughterbeck, your independent Scentsy consultant. I just got my July Scentsy Club order from the 10th or 12th of the month. Things are running a little late, but it is what it is, right? So, I just wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. So right now, all of our Scentsy orders that have bars in it come in this foil package, and it includes these really nice ice packs in them. So I have a lot of these. If anybody knows of somewhere that could use them or you need some, make sure you get a hold of me. So, Scentsy Club. What is Scentsy Club? Well, Scentsy Club is a subscription service provided by Scentsy that allows you to get on a monthly basis, every 2 months or every 3 months, consumable items from Scentsy. What's really nice about the Scentsy Club subscription is you choose how often, you choose between 4 dates in the month to get it, and you are allowed to put in anything that's consumable. But what's really awesome about Scentsy Club is, well, for example, Be Fabulous, okay? You're like, where is that in the catalog? Oh, wait, it's not in the catalog. It was a scent of the month that came out. But I put it in my Scentsy Club in between the 30 days that it launches, within those 30 days, and when it was sold out or discontinued, retired, Scentsy will make it for me for life as long as it's in my club. So you're going to see bars that you're like, wow, I've never heard of those, or I guess I don't have any of those in here in this month. But you're gonna some that you haven't heard of, like Be Fabulous, okay? Or my total favorite is Camu. It came out of the spring summer catalog and didn't go into the fall winter catalog. This is my favorite. I go through a lot of these a month, so I get 6 a month of these. So the whole time that it's not in the fall winter catalog, I am still getting my Camu. If it were to discontinue, not come back in the spring, please let it come back, I would still get it, okay? The always get my bars is only for bars, so like you can put room sprays in your club, but when they discontinue, they're gone. So this is mine. Now my club does consist of 4 individuals in the family and a couple of friends, so it's kind of big, but I have multiples of them. So like I have 6 Camu. I have 6 of the Grape Granadas. Grape Pop. It's Grape Pop. Because there's a couple of us in my club. My daughter-in-law, my son gets some every 3 months. Now, these are my daughter's that she gets. She gets 2 a month. Now, you can tell what her theme is. Beach Daisy, White Sands, and Beach. And there's a Mahala coconut in here. You can tell what type of scent she likes. She had been waiting for Beach Daisy to come back. So, this is like a floral beach. This is like a sandalwood beach from the White Sands. And Beach is just like the beach. Like all those people with their tanning oils and such on them. Smells exactly like that. So, what else is in here? I get some eucalyptus, because I really like the way it smells in the bathroom downstairs. Eucalyptus does help to open the airways. So, I get Thunderstorm, and it is a fresh, smells like right after the rain. That's Thunderstorm. It'd be fabulous. Watermelon Tangerine was one of our summer collection ones. It sold out like in one day, but you have 30 days to put it in your club and still get the Watermelon Tangerine. I love watermelon. Love it, love it, love it. Jumpin' Jelly Bean. We got... Oh, Rockin' Ruby Raz. You notice that I'm a lot of fruit here. I'm not much of a cinnamon person myself, okay? So this has to get me through till the spring-summer catalog comes out. So thank goodness I can, on a monthly basis, still be able to get my scents. This one is not mine, it's daughter-in-law. Hibiscus and Water. This was in the club, or the summer collection that sold out. Another really good one. Let's see. I have a ton here. Blueberry Rush. We don't have much in blueberry other than blueberry cheesecake. Total blueberries. I mean, that's what you smell. I didn't get them all out. I had a ton of duplicates. So, here we go. So, and I don't know why these are in here. I think I may have put them in right after they sold out so that I would get them, and I kind of forgot to take them out. But the Palm Beach Breeze is really nice. Nice and light and fresh. But then Fiesta Lime, I had this in the counter clean. Oh my God, it is so good. It smells like Pledge. And the last one, other than my duplicates, oh wait, I have one more after that, is Pineapple and Fuego. And this one, well, somebody in my family will take it, trust me. They come into my stash. They don't know where my second stash is, thank gosh. But Mandalorian, if this ever comes back, oh my gosh, grab it. And I'm fruity, so you're going off of that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing of my Scentsy Club. If you have any questions, just drop me a line. If you need any help, let me know. Otherwise, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll talk soon.